So here's how to allow TikTok to access camera and microphone. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go and search for the TikTok and simply press on it, and then you will probably find the app information. So you can simply tap and go to the app information, and then from here you'll probably see the app permissions. So you need to select that one, and then from here you need to select the camera. And as you can see, we have already give the access of the camera to the TikTok. So you can select this one, and for the microphone as well, if you select that, just simply select the allow only while using the application. So that's how you can simply allow TikTok to access camera and microphone. So this is for Android only, guys. If you are using the iPhone, there will be different settings, so you can probably watch another video for that. So that's it for today, guys. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.